Back. My name is Zane. Today we'll be having a look at Klaytn. Klaytn is a blockchain company. They're designed with a flexible modular network architecture to make it appealing to enterprises' blockchain solution. So that's quite simple, right? But how about the goals? Now, in summary, Klaytn goals of achieving mass blockchain adoption through the development of flexible, value-driven, and user service makes it simple to blockchain projects like Ethereum and EOS. So therefore, while Klaytn originated in South Korea and is currently populated with predominantly Asian-focused application and web services, the project has managed to attract a broad spectrum of partners and ecosystem participants from across the globe. And this is good. This is good. And I'll explain to you exactly why this is good. Let's talk about the partners that they're in partnership with. So Klaytn, as an enterprise blockchain platform developed by South Korea internet provider Keiko's, it's a modular network architecture. It's designed to enable businesses to conveniently customize and operate their own services oriented blockchain built atop Klaytn architecture. So these autonomously operated subnetworks are called service chains, and they provide a core of Klaytn's enterprise-friendly ecosystem. So the flexibility and customizability of these service chains means that any kind of web service can feasibly be built on Klaytn, although the platform includes projects centered on gambling or finance speculation. And the Klaytn mainnet was launched in 2019. in June, just as a fun fact, and quickly attract more than 40 initial service partners, ISPs, covering a broad spectrum of industries, use cases ranging from entertainment and e-commerce to healthcare and finance. So these ISP span over a dozen of countries' origin and were selected based on the quality of their blockchain-based services and the size of their existing user base. And I also dove a little bit into the coin supply as well. Total supply of 10.5 billion, my mistake, and a circulating supply of 2.4 billion, of course. So obviously a lot of cryptos have been doing really well lately. So don't be fooled by the hype that's going on right now. You always got to be realistic. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but I have to be realistic with people, and I have to tell people to always be realistic because that's authentic, you know? At least if you're being realistic, you're thinking more long-term, you're thinking more gradually, rather than just living on the hype that's going on right now with every cryptocurrency. You have to be a bit more strategic in your decision making. But nevertheless, I do like what I'm hearing from Klaytn. Most of what they're saying is really fascinating, to be honest, and I really intend on learning more about Klaytn, to be honest. So let's dive a bit deeper into this thing that they call BAPs, which is the exact same thing as dApps. Blockchain applications are first-class citizen in Klaytn's worlds. So we strive to offer the highest performance and the most productive environment that caters to a wide spectrum of engineering audience, from micro startups to enterprise divisions, with a combination of Klaytn's features including low latency network responsiveness and reliable yet powerful transaction throughput. So flexible, scalable, though service change, and transaction fees subsidization for end users. So BAP designers will be liberated to deliver the best experience for their customer. Further, Klaytn's network seamlessly interoperability with legacy enterprises asset via enterprise proxy offers quick on-ramp for teams planning to newly integrate blockchain features into their offerings. Fascinating. Tell me what you guys think about this project that's called Klaytn. Have you heard of Klaytn before? And what do you think about the Klaytn coin? What do you think? Do you think this is a coin that will 10x, 20x, 30x, or maybe 100x one day in the future? I don't know. Me personally, I seriously don't know. But they also have some far-reaching external partnerships. In addition to its ecosystem participant, Klaytn has to attract a number of established enterprises partners that have made a strategic choice to work with Klaytn to expand user base and reach. So while most of those ecosystem partners are blockchain focused on organizations such as Woori Financial Group, a Korean financial service holding company, and BCW Group, a strategy consulting firm focused on traditional and digital payments, are more traditional businesses that seek to benefit from exposure to Klaytn's ecosystem. So in addition to partner with multiple cryptocurrency exchanges in an ecosystem partnership or governance council capacity, in May 2020, Klaytn announced a partnership with Chainlink, a decentralized Oracle network. This partnership will help Klaytn build blockchain-powered applications capable of interacting with traditional off-chain enterprises infrastructure and further its mission of widespread adoption and connection points with existing ecosystem. So that was a mouthful, but they also talk about the Klaytn Improvement Reserve, and we're going to get onto that a little bit, and we're going to try to understand what that is. Because to be honest, when I was first doing my research, when I first actually heard about this coin that's called Klaytn, I didn't know what to expect, to be honest. All I know is that I didn't really like the logo. I thought to myself, would I like a better logo? But as I've learned from my past mistakes, is to never judge any cryptocurrency based on their name. Never judge any cryptocurrency based on their logos, right? You always want to do your own research to find out why this cryptocurrency might have potential. And that's what I'm doing right now, is finding out why Klaytn has potential. So let's get back to that part where I was talking about the improvement reserve. So in future reward, Klaytn Enterprise users and encourage ecosystem growth, Klaytn launched the Klaytn Improvement Reserve in June of 2020. This program rewards strategy partners and ecosystem contributors who have made strides in enhancing Klaytn development environment or user experience. It will also fund a wide range of community initiatives and technological research and development. So the Klaytn Improvement Reserve automatically receives a portion of Clay coins generated each time a new block is created on Klaytn's mainnet. The specific use of these funds is determined via the Klaytn's governance process. Right? So the first partner to receive fund from the Klaytn Improvement Reserve was Aussies, a Korean blockchain service provider that has built a decentralized token swap tool on Klaytn called Klaytn Swap. It's also developed a new feature for Klaytn Scope, a multifunctional block explorer that monitors block activities on the Klaytn platform. In addition to rewarding enterprises ecosystem contributors with Clay through its proof of contribution evolution mechanism, Klaytn is currently exploring ways to apply POC to incentivize and rewards end users on its platform. As a blockchain network that launched by an established telecommunication company geared towards enterprise products without a strict adherence to decentralization, Klaytn represents a unique position in the blockchain ecosystem. Klaytn modeling its blockchain products to fit usability today, its large-scale partnership with legacy companies, and its avoidance for enterprise blockchain tech that's already proven fruitful. Now, the promising blockchain is working towards creating lasting value for all participants within the ecosystem and fulfilling its goal of seamless global blockchain adoption. So that's a little bit of information on Klaytn for you. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been really interesting to finally learn what Klaytn is. So it's a South Korean blockchain company. So they're doing some amazing things. They're involved with a lot of other well-established companies as well. And yeah, I really find it interesting to see where they're going to be in the near future. You know, like I said, there's a hype right now in all cryptocurrency, so the price is up right now compared to what it was in February. this year, or compared to what it was last year in July. The price is up right now a lot, so you can expect anything. Always expect the unexpected. And once again, this is not financial advice, but I've really enjoyed making this video about you. Making this video about Klaytn, making this video about you. I haven't made this video about anyone. It's about Klaytn. So Korean company Klaytn's Klaytn blockchain was designed with a flexible modular network architecture to make it appealing enterprise blockchain solution. That's what it is in summary. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. This is just me, but I don't know. I don't like the logo. I think they could have made a better logo. I mean, with the purple, this looks better. It looks better, but it could look much better in my opinion. But hey, that's just my opinion. I mean, I could be wrong. But yeah, let me know what you think. Don't worry about the logo. It's just me being me, to be honest. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think, because I honestly don't know if Klaytn will 100x. But I think a coin like this could potentially 10x, 20x, or 30x, depending on how the company grows and depending on how well they do in the cryptocurrency and blockchain world. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.